We all have the same mission: to transform Indigenous healthcare.
Tribal Health is dedicated to the communities that they serve wholeheartedly.
We feel that anyone in America should have really good health care.
There is not only a need, but an opportunity to make a great impact.
If you want to make a difference to a community that has been marginalized for centuries now, and their level of care that they're used to is far less than what they deserve and far less than a place in the country, you are in the right spot.
We actually want to improve the care, not just provide the care of the communities we serve.
The most value that we can bring is not trying to come in and save anybody. It's really coming in, sitting down, and listening. We are mission first.
I truly do believe that we are really trying to transform healthcare in Indian country.
One of the things that we at Tribal Health do is staff our facilities that we contract with great, knowledgeable and compassionate physicians that aren't only coming to better themselves, but to better the Indigenous communities.
We offer the ability to listen and to tailor our services to that individual community's needs.
We're tackling a public health crisis. You have to recognize that we have to do things differently and we have to push harder because this is a vulnerable population. These patients are at risk.
Some of the healthcare disparities range from diabetes, heart problems, you name it. I think we're probably at the top tier of that.
Healthcare in Indian country is unique. It's not the same as other communities. I think that it's really important for healthcare providers to make those connections to the community and embrace the community, because we're relying on the healthcare to take care of our children, to take care of our grandparents. This is our history that we want to maintain, and so making sure they're in good health is important.
I want providers to come in to our reservation, to our hospitals, to our tribe with a pure heart. Somebody that is going to put our Native people's health first.
Tribal Health is a practice management group that focuses in emergency medicine and critical care, although we do serve all specialties. So one-off staffing, locums, all the way through to medical assistants to medical directors. We're known for our provider network that's mission-oriented, and we have significant trust that we've built not only in the space to be able to offer the care, but amongst our team and our providers.
What we can do is bring people who care, who will show up, who will sit down and take long histories with patients, who will get to know them on a personal level.
Every member of this organization feels connected to the mission, and whether you're a nurse working in the field or you're working in the business office, everybody collectively believes in providing excellent care to Indigenous communities.
What is better than helping these underserved communities transform their healthcare systems?
I get to care for the people who care, and that's my job, which is the coolest job.
It's about going to a place and seeing, what their strengths and weaknesses are, and then helping them be better servers of the community.
We care most about the patient and most about the services we deliver.
It is possible to transform Indigenous healthcare because I've seen the worst of the worst, and I am seeing the change that Tribal Health has brought to Indigenous healthcare.
We are seeing the direct impact of our clinicians in their communities. So quality scores improve, wait times go down.
We've got to do what's best for our patients. And it's with that perspective that we really go into these different relationships with our tribal hospitals to try to offer the best patient care available.
And it not only transforms healthcare, it transforms the communities, it transforms our staff.
I would like people to know that Tribal Health truly does care about Indigenous communities, and it shows in their approach, and it shows in the individuals that they staff at the facilities. They are truly trying to make a generational impact.